Did you know that some of the most common foods you eat every day could be silently destroying your heart? A world-renowned cardiologist has revealed the 6 worst foods that are like poison for your heart, and some of them may shock you. I'm about to expose the truth about these foods and why you need to cut them out of your diet immediately. Stick around till the end because the last one is something millions of people eat daily without realizing how dangerous it is. Heart disease is the #1 cause of death worldwide, and poor diet is a major factor. The foods you consume can either protect your heart or push you closer to a heart attack or stroke. Let's dive right in. First up, processed meats. These foods are loaded with sodium, saturated fats, and harmful preservatives like nitrates and nitrites. Studies show that regular consumption increases the risk of heart disease by up to 42%. Swap out processed meats for fresh, lean proteins like chicken, fish, or plant-based options. Sugar is a silent killer, and sugary drinks are one of the worst sources. Just 1 can of soda contains more sugar than your body needs in a day, leading to obesity, high blood pressure, and increased risk of heart attacks. Choose water, herbal teas, or black coffee with minimal sweetener. Trans fats are officially banned in many countries, and for a good reason. They raise bad cholesterol, LDL, and lower good cholesterol, HDL, making them a heart attack waiting to happen. Use healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, and nuts instead. Refined carbs act like sugar in your body, causing blood sugar spikes, inflammation, and artery damage. This leads to obesity and heart problems over time. Opt for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. While some studies suggest that moderate alcohol can be beneficial, excessive drinking leads to high blood pressure, heart failure, and even atrial fibrillation. Limit alcohol to 1 drink per day for women, 2 for men, or try mocktails and kombucha. Ultra-processed foods are filled with artificial preservatives, hidden sugars, and unhealthy fats, a triple threat to your heart. These foods contribute to obesity, high cholesterol, and even diabetes. Cook fresh meals at home using whole ingredients. Your heart will thank you. So there you have it, the 6 worst foods for your heart. If you want to protect your heart and live a longer, healthier life, start making better food choices today. Which of these foods are you cutting out first? Let me know in the comments. Want more health tips? Like this video. Subscribe for more life-changing health advice. Share this with your friends and family, because everyone deserves a healthier heart. Stick around for our next video, where I reveal the top 6 foods that can reverse heart disease naturally. Don't miss it.